Hey traders, John Howell here, and man oh man, did yesterday's video get a little bit of a finger up your rear end hole, didn't it? Oh my goodness, when I was talking about the mining stocks, I like the potential of it breaking down. Oh man, and I tell you what, you guys are going to dislike this video too, so let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Some of you guys are already disliking this video right now, and that's okay. John, you're an idiot. You have no idea what you're talking about, blah, 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 blah. Alrighty, so is it a fake out or is it a breakout? Oh, by the way, traders, if you need help with your trading, $7 for my trading course, link in description. If you actually want to be a professional in this game and not just go based on hope or whim, you know, or yeah, just a hope, but you actually want to have a system and a process to actually help you become a good trader, then the trading course is for you. But for 90% of you bumblebees who don't want to actually become better, that's obviously for you, and that's okay. All right, you guys can just give me shit in the chat box below. dislike. You know what, guys, the mining stock, it's crashing, it's all over. Everyone that's part of the metals and miners, you guys are absolute. I'm joking, by the way, guys. I'm joking. Now, what I've been saying for the last few days, if you bumblebees have been listening to me, and is it a fake out or breakout? And let me explain what I'm saying here. Firstly, gold. We are not breaking out of this triangle pattern yet. This could be a fake out, right? We don't know yet. We really need for this to start to change this trend here, we really need to start to break above this significant high here. We really need to get back above a high here. Otherwise, this market's going to knock itself down and we're going to continue down here. So that's that high we need to go there. Now, what I've been saying for the last few weeks, I'm like, this is actually not looking too good on the mining sector. And right now, this may just be a fake out, guys. Like, that's the truth of the markets, right? This may just be fake out. Nothing has changed yet on the big picture, right? And what I was saying yesterday, I'm like saying the confirmation for me to say that we're likely to get some down move is a break below support. That's what I was waiting for. I also said in yesterday's video that I don't know exactly where it's going to go. No one does. But to give me the confirmation that we're likely to continue down, that's what I was saying. But a lot of you bumblebees just, well, I know the reason why some of you guys get really, really cranky, because you are in a long position right now and you have been watching videos on a confirmation bias, which is a very, very, very bad thing to do, by the way, guys. If you actually want to be longevity in these markets, because I have that t-shirt. I have that t-shirt, right or wrong. And what I mean by that is that you have a view of the mining sector. You know what? The gold mining stocks are going to start to break out and go through a big move. Yeah. So what you do is you go look for YouTube channels. Traders, I know exactly what you do because I did the exact same thing. But it's detrimental, right? You'll go look for YouTube channel and evidence to back up why what you are doing is right. And it's called confirmation bias. But to be really good at this thing called trading is that, one, we never just trade based off a thought or a tip. That's where 90% of you guys are going to lose money. It's just a fact. If you actually want to trade the market, if you're trading the markets, then what system are you trading? What pattern are you trading? What approach are you trading? Are you trading because someone gave you a tip? Or are you actually being professional at this and you actually, you know what? I've got a system, I've got an approach that I'm actually looking for. I'm looking for this type of setup. Because that's what I know I do. That's what I know I do. And to kick ass in these markets is actually not, or it's actually a difficult thing for most people, was because the hardest thing about trading is that you may be busy for a few weeks and then suddenly you're very, very quiet for a few weeks. But a lot of you guys, and it's really important not to have a confirmation bias. Now, when you're in the trade and you're hoping and praying and hoping and praying and hoping and praying that this thing goes up, like even right now, this could be a fake out, guys. This is that nothing has changed yet in the mining stocks. I know some of you guys are getting a little bit of hope right now, but you know what the mining stocks do, right? Nothing has changed yet. Look where we are right now. We're still just stuck in this sideways range. What's happening with these charts here? Nothing has changed. The moment this changes, and again, traders, I'm not saying I'm not short this market. By the way, traders, I'm actually long. If you actually want to know my position, I'm actually long the gold mining stocks right now. I'm actually long. So for you guys that are giving me shit in the chat box like a papa pipi, that's that's what I hear in the chat box. So, you know, guys, I've always said that we need confirmation, right? I never said we're definitely going to break down, but right now we're not out of the woodworks yet. We're really not, because look at this here. We're still making lower lows and lower highs, and this could just be a fake out, lower low. Yes, we are getting a bit of a double bottom, but for this to change, once we start to break above this sort of $50 level, that's when we're really starting to get out of this here. And now we're starting to develop some sort of an upward trend. But right now, the trend is your friend until the end. And so this, you can see here, right? Notice what happened here, right? Boom, we rallied up. Did the trend change? Nah. Boom, back down. Rallied up. Has the trend changed? We don't know. And so instead of preempting, let's respond to the market. So therefore, right now the market is the trend is still down. So this little movement on the upside we got here, people are like, oh, here we go. Traders, we're not out of the woodworks yet. All right, and again, this still could just completely reverse tomorrow. This little movement to the upside, and you know that's what the market does. The movement to the upside, and then sometimes it just flushes straight down because the trend is still down, and you never want to be fighting that upward trend. And that's what a big mistake a lot of traders made all of last year, trading the S&P 500. And most of you guys gave me shit for that because every time we got these, this is a weekly chart by the way, traders. Every time we got these pullbacks through here. On the weekly charts, oh sorry, this is the daily chart by the way. Let's go back to the weekly chart for a minute. There we go. All right, every time we got a pullback here on these weekly charts, you thought the top was in. You know, the top was in. Same for the mining stocks right now. So if we go look at the GDXJ, again, same sort of thing, traders. We're not out of the woodworks yet. Now, as I said before, traders, there's two different approaches here, okay? We have the trading approach. If you are trading the markets, then what system are you using? Are you following a system? If not, then I'll say goodbye to you in 90 days later, because 90 days from now, because that's the statistics. 90% of you guys are going to lose 90% of you guys are going to blow your account up in 90 days. Right? But then your investing approach, which I have, which is the gold mining stocks, I'm actually long the market right. I'm actually long the gold mining stocks right now. But that's like 5-10 year view. You know what I mean? Like that's my 5-10 year view. But on the short term basis, if there's a short term trading opportunity, you better believe I'm going to take it. But we haven't got that yet. But we're not out of the woodworks yet. And to me, guys, this could be just a fake out. Right? Let me just going back through the SIL as well too. Yes, we have a bit of a double bottom and we're breaking up. Again, traders, we're not out of the woodworks yet. This could just be a fake out. I'm not saying it is. I don't know. Right? No one does. But to be trading, to say that this is definitely the bottom and we're breaking up is very, very, very risky, because 9 times out of the 10, this is not the bottom, and 1 time out of 10 it is. So, and as you can see, right, look at this here. We're still making these highs, lower highs, and now we're rallying up. This could just be a fake out before they slam it again on you, and then that's what happens, right? And the same for the SIL as well. We're seeing this through here. Again, just the same thing sideways. We haven't broken down yet. So as I was saying in yesterday's video, traders, that the confirmation for me to say that we're likely to get some downside is a strong bar down. Because we haven't got that yet, we're just still in this sideways range, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And here's the thing, traders. Here's the thing. So I read a comment yesterday saying, "Get stuffed, John. We have handled enough. We have handled enough crap in these markets." Well, the thing is this, traders. All right, if you are so cranky at the markets right now, when you get up in the morning and you walk through your bathroom and then there's this thing there, there's a reflection there. Oh, that's the guy. That's the guy who's responsible for what you're doing in your life right now, right? The market didn't tell you to click the button. You clicked the button, and that's that. So the responsibility is on you. And if you can blame the market, you can blame everyone else. But if you actually want to get better at this thing, which all you guys can, right? You can actually do so well with this. But a lot of you guys get your knickers in a knot from doing this. Dislike. John, you're full of shit. Dislike. So traders, that's what I'm saying there, okay? Traders, so short-term basis, hey, this could just be a fake out. So traders, when I first started trading, I lost $250,000 trading the markets. And then I got access to a few seven-figure mentors that really set me straight on what I need to do with the foundations, how to read the charts, the trading systems, the mindset, so on and so forth. And then that was the massive turning point for me to be doing really well from actual trading and being successful trading. So what I've done is I've created a course called the Breakthrough Course. And what I've done is I've actually put a whole bunch of really good education and strategies and processes that help me go from $250,000 in debt to then actually becoming a full-time trader, making a full-time income from trading. And I'm actually running a flash sale to that trading course. So if you go to johnsflashsale.com, or there should be a link in the description. If there's not, then go to johnsflashsale.com. That's JOHNS flashsale.com. Go to johnsflashsale.com and you'll be able to get access to this course now for $7. So go get access to that right now, guys, and I'll see you real soon.